Oh, man, what I wouldn't give for some shade right now. Whoa. I'm Rick. This is the shack. Shade, yes, shade. Everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view my channel. When I'm working on my truck at my friend's shop, I'm outside. So I decided to buy me an Easy Up. I'm going to share a link in the description below where I bought it. And we're going to check it out. It's over here in a box. I'm going to get it over here. We're going to lay it out, check it out, set it up, and see how easy and simple it is. And just check the construction and the quality. I didn't want to go cheap. So this is kind of middle of the road, and I think hopefully it will be fine. And I got another little accessory to go with it. So this is kind of a twofold. Let's get the box and get it unpacked and see what all we have. There are staples in the box here, there, and here. So be very careful not to hurt yourself. Now, luckily, I got it. The bottom's right here because there's the wheels. So I'm going to set this up and let's unbox it. You got straps, you got wheels, do it and roll it. So let's undo this. The middle zip undoes it. There we go. Instructions and registration. And there's the canopy, the top part. Ooh. There's the frame. So let me take this out. I'm going to set it here. Now the first thing we need to do is open this up. It's better with two people, but you can do it with one person. Just take your time. Little by little. Almost. There. Now once you finally get it open, again, this is better with two people. You basically have to raise this part up till it clicks in. Right here there's a hole. So once you get this spread open enough to get up here, when you go up now, clicks in that hole. When you want to release it, this is very simple. No fingers hurting. You don't have to push up, pull nothing, or like some of them you have the little button you have to push in. Click this in, and down it goes, and you can drop it back down. So let's put this up, collect in. So do all four sides, make sure they're secure. Okay, now take the canopy, we're going to fold it and put it over the top. Basically that's it. Now we can lift up one side at a time, raise it up. Now you got it basically set up. What I'm going to do, I go around, make sure my corners are right. So you have this setting properly, move it over. There we go. Same thing goes with the top. I made sure this was all pulled out so there's nothing folded. I'm just kind of anal that way. Now once you've gone around and made sure everything's good, now you can go around and fasten the tarp to the bars. Just simply go around, tighten up, that keeps it from flopping off. Same with the roof part. They each have one of these that helps keep it from flopping around. So you want to wrap that too before you raise it too high. There. With all the little Velcro ties inside secured to the frame, that's what you got. And the reason I chose this, the canopy itself is 10 feet square diameter. A lot of the other ones say 10 by 10, but the legs, because they slanted out, were 10 feet in diameter. The canopy was only 8 feet. I didn't want that. I wanted a full 10-foot diameter because I wanted to have the room to walk around and do stuff to the truck. It also comes with these little ropes. You can tie that to the ground, secure it. It comes with stakes. You can stake these into the ground or stake this to the ground to help it for wind. All four corners have these. It's all powder coated. The frame is actually pretty nice. The only problem I see is possibly on the carrying case. Stitching's a little iffy, but this I like. Even got the, you see the heat popping out up there. The heat going in, it goes right out. It escapes up there, so it's got a vent. Now, depending on which way the sun's going up, coming down during the day, I may want to put something on the side to block the sun. With that, I got this. This is just a little shade that ties on to the legs, supports on one side. I only need one depending on which side the sun is. I'm gonna put it on that side. If it moves, I'll move it over here. Don't want it enclosed. I just want to keep the sun off from getting on this. This I got through ABC Canopy. They got tons of different colors. Well, my mistake. I completely forgot to push the record button when I was attaching the side shade. So I'm gonna go through it again. And I know I have the record button pushed this end. Now when you fold it, you're going to see on both two ends, you'll see a zipper. This is to allow you to put multiple sides together. You connect it, zip it up. You can do 2 sides, 3 sides. Now the top will have these straps like this. So this is the top, this is the side. What I'm going to do, I'm going to attach one of these to the legs first, then set it up there and we'll attach the top. Hook this side up, loose so it'll slide up and down. Stretch this across. This side and the bottom one the same. Loose so it slides up and down. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this behind the frame, in between the canopy and the frame, and strap this on here real quick to help hold it up, and then we'll strap it to the side. There. See, I'll hold that up. So I'll go through all these and hang them up real quick. With the tops all secured now, just slide this over, lift this up. Remember, this strap on the side is loose. And basically this is all Velcro right here. All you have to do is just slap it on there, or if it's the other way, it all fits. So I just pull it over, slap it on, do the same for the other side. Now I just go along the legs here and strap the straps on. Now since I don't have this extended all the way, I'm going to take the bottom, flip it up around the back side, or you could go around the front side, your choice. Since kids are playing here, I don't want them putting their toys inside, so I'm going to go around the back. And I'm just going to strap this around here. Make sure that's all the way down, right there. And that's it. And now with everything secure, you can sit back and relax. I gotta play with my granddaughter. If you're looking for some portable shade, consider getting yourself a canopy like this. And for added shade, definitely get the side cover. But I will tell you to be cautious. Just because it says it's a 10 by 10 does not necessarily mean it is a 10-foot canopy. A lot of the times if the legs aren't straight and they're angled, either 2 or 4, the 10-foot diameter is the legs, not the canopy. I was looking at those. A lot of them, it said 10 by 10, but the legs were 10 by 10. The canopy itself was only an 8 by 8. Make sure you do your homework. Check out the measurements and make sure and verify if it's 10 by 10, you want the canopy 10 by 10, not the legs. 8 by 8, you're losing a lot of square footage up there. Well, that's a shack tip. be cautious. Just because it says 10 by 10 does not necessarily mean it is always a 10 foot by 10 foot square canopy. I'm gonna sit down, relax, play with my granddaughter. We're playing, so I guess I am mini.
I'm mini too.
No, you can't be mini. I'm mini.
See, we are too.
Oh, you're mini. I'm big mini.
I'm little me.
Yes, you're little me.
You should have Ariel too.
I don't want Ariel. Thank you so much for watching. I will have links in the description below for the canopy itself and for the side cover. I didn't get these. I paid for them. And I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Again, something like this is well worth having shade on these very hot summer days. It makes a huge difference. It's nice underneath here. With the little breeze, whew, it's major.
Take the baby out and buckle it.
No, you can just pull him out. He's not buckled in too tight, sweetheart. Appreciate you watching. Thanks again so much. I really do appreciate it.
Carol.
Be blessed. Take back your shack and build it. Woohoo! For your sanity. I gotta play my granddaughter. See you next video.